Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today is day 3 of Negroni week. And for day 3, we're gonna do the White Negroni. Now the White Negroni is interesting in its name as it's not white. It is neon yellow because it uses Suze, a gentian liqueur that has this bright yellow color. Now according to Robert Simonson, the White Negroni was invented in France by British bartender Wayne Collins when he had to make a bunch of Negronis but could not find Campari or sweet vermouth in 2001. So instead, he reached for Suze. Suze is a beautiful gentian liqueur with a sweet bitter flavor to it. Very earthy. It's very much to me like a yellow beet. It has kind of that dirt flavor to it. And a little Lillet Blanc. Now for mine today, I'm not gonna be using Lillet Blanc. I'll be using some Vermouth Bianco. It has more of an herbal base. It's gonna go perfect with the gentian and the gin. Let's get started. Again, we're gonna be using Ford's gin. Go with 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Then we have our Vermouth Bianco. Go with 1 ounce or 30 mils. Then for our Suze, go with 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. Got my big cube here, give it a crack. Always makes a mess. And stir for about 20 seconds. Gonna use my Hawthorne strainer here. So again, I like mine served up. So we're gonna go into my Negroni glasses here from Libby. The White Negroni. Oh God. Get that lemon oil right off the bat. Just hits you right in the face. Ooh. Even though it's kind of a take on the Negroni, or more inspired by the Negroni, because it's definitely not Negroni-esque. It's missing a lot of the sweetness that you get from the sweet vermouth and the Campari, but still has that base flavor profile of herbaceousness from the gin. So somehow with it being completely different than a Negroni, it is still very much in the essence of a Negroni. Cheers to Negroni week. If you want to check out the rest of Negroni week, click right there. If you want to check out some of my Sunday side dishes, click up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.